Are you getting tired and frustrated of getting the piece of the pie in the $900 billion business funds under the CARES Act? If you're a business owner, this virtual workshop is for you. Hi, I'm Christopher, an immigrant, CEO and founder of Wyco Tax, a Texas-based company that offers an all-year-round, all-in-one tax payroll bookkeeping service solution. With the past years, we have processed approximately $10 million of tax refunds, EIDL, and PPP funds. Come and join me for this 2-hour workshop where we will go over with the basic of home office deductions, the ultimate guide of your PPP, and most of all, the underutilized 5-year business refund. With this, we will help you to save more taxes and most of all, to get this free money and take the most out of this situation. Because our goal is for your business, not just to survive, but to thrive on this pandemic situation. Register today.